In this video, you'll learn how to fix payment errors on eBay. By following a few simple steps, you can resolve issues that prevent your transactions from processing successfully. Start by reviewing your payment information, navigate to your account settings and locate the payment methods section. Here, check the card number, expiration date and security code. Ensure that these details were entered correctly, as incorrect billing information can lead to payment errors on eBay. It is also important to verify that the card has sufficient balance for the transaction. This simple check can often resolve the issue quickly. If the payment error persists, consider trying another payment method. eBay supports various options, including credit cards and digital payment services. To switch methods, return to the payment methods section and select a different option. Ensure that the new method is active and has adequate funds. Be aware that payment limits or restrictions may also contribute to errors. Switching to an alternative payment option frequently resolves the issue. Should the error continue to occur, contacting eBay customer support may be necessary. Look for the Help or Contact Us section on the eBay website. Provide them with details about the error message you are encountering, as well as the payment method you are trying to use. Customer support representatives have the tools and knowledge to identify the cause of the problem and can guide you through additional troubleshooting steps. After reaching out to customer support, be prepared to follow their instructions closely. They may suggest specific actions based on your situation to help complete your purchase successfully. It is essential to ensure that the issue is addressed thoroughly, as this will prevent future payment errors from occurring. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.